What's up guys, this is Roladel Business again, and in this video I want to show you how you can create the US bank account for non-residents for free that can receive payments in euros, pounds and dollars. Now if you go to your normal bank to create this type of US bank account, they will ask you to bring a minimum deposit and also bring a lot of documents. Even after all that stuffs, it's going to take a very long process for you to get that done. So in this video, I'll show you a simple and free method to get it done in just a moment. You don't deposit any money ahead to create accounts. These ones I have can help you here to collect your payments in USD, British pounds and euros. What's most interesting about this account that I'm about to show you how to create is that you can sell your USD in a very high rate, even if you're in a country like Nigeria. You can also sell your British pound for high rates as well. For those living in Nigeria, let me show you. The standard CBN rate is now for $1. You're going to get 450 naira according to this rate. This is the standard rate as of the time making this video. Also, if you check for the British pound, you will see that for £1, you're going to get 540 naira. But with this account that I'm about to show you, you can sell $1 for more than that, as you can see from here. That means if you can buy $1 for the standard rate from CBN, you're going to make a lot of profit with growing your dollars or your pounds to this account here. And this is an opportunity to make a lot of money on this side. So if you're collecting your earnings from a platform, like paying in dollars, you can withdraw your dollars to this account instead of withdrawing to your Naira bank account, where you will get $1 for a low rate. And also, if you have platforms where you can buy dollars or pounds at a cheaper rate, this is an opportunity for you to use this account to make money through currency arbitrage. So in this video, I'll show you how you can get this account, how you can set them up and get foreign accounts in USD, euros and pounds. But before continuing this video, I need you to do me and yourself a very big favor. Give this video a like, and if this is your first time coming to Roladel Business, what you need to do right now is to hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification so that you can get notified anytime I upload any new tricks like this you're watching right now. And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. Now, let me show you how you can create a US bank account for non-residents for free. Now, the name of this platform is Grey.co. So, what you need to do is to go to your browser and visit Grey.co, and once you visit this website, here is what it looks like. Foreign account for Africans open a global bank account for free to receive and make foreign payments and convert currencies all in one place. So, you can just go to this website and see all this information. As you see, free USD, British pound, and you will have your account for all your international transactions and all of these tools. You can get virtual accounts that you can use to receive your payment from anywhere in the world. So to get started, just click on get started here to create your new Grey account. At this point, what you just want to do is to fill in this form here. So here you enter your full legal first name and middle name if you have any. Then here you enter your legal surname, and now it's very important that you're entering the correct details here because you need to submit your ID for verification. So you need to submit your ID and your utility bill for address verification, and the names that you're entering here have to be the same with the ones on your ID, and also the name of your account will have to be the same with the names here. So yeah, you enter a phone number, you enter an email address, then you create a password for yourself. Then after that, you click confirm and then click create account. So that's what I'm just going to do now, and then I'll click create account. The next step is for you to verify your account. So a verification link has been sent to your email address you provided. So click on this link to verify your email. So that's what I'm going to do, and now you just go to your email and you will see a verification link from the website to you. So let me log into my email. So here are the two emails you're going to get from the Grey website. Here's a welcome email, and here's the email asking you to confirm your registration. So I'm just going to open this one, and then what you just want to do here is to click on verify email. So as you can see, my email successfully verified. And now that you're done verifying your email, you can then just go ahead to log into your Grey account. So I'm just going to log in, and the next thing I'll have to do now is to submit the required document for verification. So just enter your email and your password here to log in your account. So here is your new account. The first thing you will see is to see this, complete your verification. So you just click on complete verification here, and then they say split switch your smartphone. Just a way to continue verification. I'm going to continue to email instead of QR code, but you can see the QR code if you want. So I'm just going to click email and email myself a verification link. Finish the verification on your phone, then return to your computer and click done. So I'm just going to enter my email here and then send a verification link to my email. It's just a matter of you following the simple instruction here. Then I'll click send an email, and I'm going to check my phone for this link that I just sent. See, this is a verification code that will be sent to your phone. I can just click on this link and then complete the verification here. And as you can see here, the 2 things you need to do is to upload photos of document proving your identity. You can use your international passport and you can use your driver's license to get this documentation verification done. And then you just need to take a selfie video. So just hold your phone against your face and your system is going to record a very short video of you and then upload it to this platform. So I'm going to fill in this right now. Now, once you're done with the verification, the next thing you just want to do is to come over to cart and then add the bank card to your Gray account. And this record you are going to use to fund your account when necessary, and during verification, you're going to get to a point where you're going to add your bank account. That's the account you'll be getting your money from. And then the next thing you also want to do is to come over to accounts and you see European, Great Britain pounds and United States dollars. Once you do all the necessary verification or vacation, just click on request virtual account on that. When you do that, they're going to ask you to submit a proof of address. That's when you submit your bill or your utility bill or account statement, any of those documents that prove your address, and then request virtual accounts on that, each of these currencies. And when you do that, it's going to take some days, maybe a week, but eventually you're going to get these accounts that you can use to start receiving money in these different parts of the world, different currency, and at this very juicy rate. And then if you come over, you will see your balance, the amount of money you have on that each currency. You can see them here. So once you do the verification, it's a very simple process. Just wait for a few days and you're going to approve your account. Then you can request for this foreign account, and then that will also take you some days. But eventually they're going to give you those accounts that you start working with. With all that done, you're going to receive your Euro, pounds and USD accounts like this one I have here. So this is a simple process you need to follow to create a US bank account for non-resident firm here in Nigeria, and it's for free. And what you need to do right now is to subscribe to Roladel Business if you are not yet subscribed, and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.